Let me show you my new LED garage lights that are installed, not in my garage, but in my studio. I'm gonna turn them on so you can see how bright they get, and I'll show you everything that I did to install them and how cool they really are. So I've got it installed right here, and check this out. Bow. Look how cool this looks. I love the uniform of that lighting. It's just a perfect overcast lighting that I absolutely love, especially when I'm shooting here. It does look great, obviously, on people, but it looks great on products. If it is for your garage, your car is gonna look fantastic under that kind of light. It just makes everything look much better. And how easy is it to install? Look at this. All you need to do is basically, it comes like that. You take that plastic out, and this thing is so light. It feels like it's going to be like, it's not going to be that bright. It's not, at first I was like, this doesn't seem like a light, but there's LEDs all throughout. And the really nice thing is that they give you these joiners, or these joints. And as you can see, they do have connectors on here. So all that does is that connects right here, and you do have some elbows like this, and you have some Ys as well. So all you do is this, and as soon as you connect it to another one that has been lit up, it will literally just get that feed and power it off. And as you can see, my initial power is right here, and I'm gonna clean up this wire. Obviously it needs to be powered, so this wire is gonna go down here, and that's the first joint that has power. And as you can see, I've got some Ys, I've got some triple ones, and then I've got kind of like this other one right here that kind of finishes it off here, and I can continue. If I wanted to plug this in, it would light it up as well, which is really, really cool. They even include this little piece. This little piece basically is if you wanted to kind of like not have a cable, dangling off, I would just be able to do this just like that. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do it like this and plug this in. As soon as I plug this in, then I could actually, feed it in to my electrical system in the wall, kind of hide everything, and then that would be a lot simpler. So they do give you the option of both. One like this, and one that you simply can plug into an outlet, which is great. And they also give you a bunch of tie wraps and the hardware and the screws. So as you can see, some of them fall perfectly on the beams, which I've actually screwed, and some of them do not. And it's kind of hard to see, but some of them you can see the tie wrap that I actually just put together just like that, and it looks still fantastic. It is extremely light. My daughter was here and looked at it and said, "You did all this by yourself?" Because at first you look at it, you're like, can't be done by one person. Well, it can. It's super, super light. It doesn't create any strain on the ceiling or on the screws, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I love it.